Namaste everyone, my name is Viru, and in this video I'm going to teach you some of the stretchings for the wrist. If you experience outer wrist pain somewhere here, for example, if you're doing plank pose or the push-ups, or if you're holding a bag like this, and if you experience pain in your outer wrist, so what you can do? Some of the things if you do, it might help you to fix the wrist pain. So now, for example, if I feel pain in my right wrist outside here, so what I do, I move my hand up here in my forearm muscle, okay, somewhere here. So I squeeze here, so I can feel these two fingers. When I stretch and curl, I can feel the trigger point here. So just massage this point. Then move your fingers a little more down till you feel the effect. You should be able to feel these two fingers and go a little more down. Somewhere here you might not feel too much effect, so then move back. Okay, just try 1 or 2 times. Then from front side, somewhere here, so as you can see my hand, I'm spreading my finger like this. Keep your fingers straight. Now you press here. When you press your forearm muscle here, you might feel these two fingers is curling. It's a stretch. Now see, as I press here, my fingers is curling. Okay, so find that point. So press as you feel comfortable. Okay, then do like this 5 or 6 times. So again, pay attention. When you press, you should feel how much pressure good for you. So just give kind of massage. Then your hand a little more down. Little more down. If you're feeling not too much effect, then move back. So that's the first step, okay? Massage both sides. Now the second is stretch. Show your hand like this, okay? So last two finger, ring finger and little finger, hold like this. So you can see my elbows is front of my chest. So I flex my wrist like this, okay? Then try straighten your elbow. Just hold for the 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bend. So try this one 5 times. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, flex and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2 more times. Flex and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Last one. Flex and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Release. Now, next one, like a namaste position, okay? But what I want here, your palms close to the chest, and of course is flex. Now from here, lift your elbows to the side. Then move your palms away from each other. Now when you do this one, elbow up, flex the wrist, and move your palms away from each other. You might feel the sensation is moving here through your outer wrist. So flex, keep your palms close to the chest, elbow up, and move your hands away from each other. Feel the stretch here in your outer forearm. Then slowly your arms to the side. Feel the stretch and hands down. Then again, lift the elbow up and palms away from each other. Really sense the stretch in your forearm muscles and side. 3, elbow up. 2 more, 4, Last one, 5. Elbow up, flex, spread the fingers. So do 5 or 6 times this one. Now next one, hold your wrist bone like this, okay, to stabilize your hand. So we are not moving the hand front and back. So what you do, make a fist and think you're moving your wrist backward and sending your fist forward and rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, although you can do this stretch just like this, stretching the arms front of you, rotate. So 5 times one side and 5 times another. But in this way you can able to create a little more space in between. You might feel this one is more effective. So if you have outer wrist pain, try these stretchings and see how you feel. If you're feeling better after 1 or 2 days, that's great. And if you feel it's too much painful, so better you go to the doctor. Thank you for watching. Namaste.